Perfectly straight.
Hope so. Diluting everything. Oh, that's good.
So to get this in, first I spray it with a little PD blaster to lube up the tube.
Oh, too much less.
This is why you don't touch capacitors. Why? He just sees the broom. Ah.
Tossing. Oh, look at that. Wow, they're all coated. Marinate them for a little bit.
Why'd you use that bowl versus the one with the lid?
I didn't have one big enough.
Because it's got the gravy in it.
I didn't have a bowl big enough. But even if you did put the lid over it and kind of shook it like that, it'd probably knock off some of the kernels and stuff. So, yeah.
Check in the middle to make sure it's perfect.
Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna like mix it around here. Some of it on the bottom too. Sorry, I'm just a perfectionist.
Look at them lines.
Alright. pretty cool. But I want them to be yummy. I want them to be a little bit more roastier. That's what I was thinking.
What were you looking for?
The roasties. There we go. Corn on the cob. And yummy. Babe. Try it out.
After the corn recipe is done, my wife is still busy working. Look at that, look at that. Portobello mushrooms, fresh vegetables, sausage, and our corn. Y'all stay tuned.
Alright, let's see what. Oh, I don't have that. Of course I don't have that. Yeah, because it's in the dishwasher. Because I never have anything I need.
It's in the sink, babe. That marinade looks good.
And then pictures, and then marinating. And then put them in there.
Are you guys starting on the video?
Here in a minute, Dad's video recording me.
You think I can
Oh.
do a protein shake? No.
Okay, hurry up.
Okay. Well, I gotta wash the container.
Oh, well then you can don't hurry up.
I won't do it.
You can do it when I take pictures.
Got it.
Just gotta put some stuff in there.
Oh, let me go in the living room. Why you there? Stand up too fast.
This said, do you want a snack?
Well, I'll take a snack.
There's snacks in there. We went grocery
Ooh,
shopping today.
snacks.
Eat a snack really quickly. Get some.
Yep.
Oh, look, there's rubes back there. Like the Cheez-It ones.
Oh yeah.
I'll eat the whole entire box.
Don't forget pour me a bowl.
I'll eat those later. I'll just have a bag of chips to be noisy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that'd be crunching the whole time.
Kids.
Which one do you get?
Doritos.
Cool Ranch.
What's the best one?
That was my favorite when I was a kid.
Alright, Brian.
Yeah, I'll go in my room. Come on, dog.
Go to your room. And you too, noisy dog.
Come on. Come here. Come here.
Bye, Bella.
Here they go.
Okay.
No. Yeah.
Close. Okay. Phew, what am I gonna do? Okay. Sad little Christmas, babe. Seriously. I don't think they're that much either. I think they're, I don't know. But there's only certain ones that I like. Because there's some that come that are really stiff. And if they're stiff, then you can't bend them and you burn yourself.
Like the blue one in there.
Yeah, like the blue one that I never used that my son gave me. He's so sweet, but it doesn't work.